In this video, I will guide you on how to unarchive all WhatsApp chats at once. First, launch open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, if you have archived all of your chats and you want to unarchive them all at once, then you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on Settings. Now, scroll down and find Chats. Here, scroll down again and look for the option of Chat History. Select that. You will find a couple of options here. Look for the second one which says Unarchive All Chats. Go ahead and tap on this option. Now, you want to confirm that you want to unarchive all the chats. For that, tap on OK. Now wait for some time, then head back. On the chat screen, all of your chats have been successfully unarchived. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.